7 is your chakras, conquering the 7 seas, the 7 continents, 7 chakras, these emotions, ridding yourself of these human emotions.
Love, lift, life. We touch into your mind, body, and soul.
This is a Homage beat.
0, the great mother, the portal, the vagina, the black hole.
Hey, what happened?
1, God, man. 2, God, goddess, yin and yang. 3, father, mother, child, knowledge, wisdom, understanding. 1, 2, 3 is your understanding of you as God knowing. 1 plus 2 plus 3 equals 6. 6 equals 6. Now stay with me, family. We're just getting started. 4 is this box you're stuck in and your realization of the prison you're in. You realize you're in a square, right? Think outside the box. 5, Allah, your body, still a physical prison. 6 equals 6. 6 is your greatest expression on this physical realm. 4, 5, 6 is your knowing that you're trapped in this physical earth and physical vessel as a human. 4 plus 5 plus 6 equals 15. 5 plus 1 equals 6. 6 equals 6. Oh shit, family. We're off and running now. 7 is your chakras, conquering the 7 seas, the 7 continents, 7 chakras, these emotions, ridding yourself of these human emotions. 8 is infinity.
To infinity and beyond.
You did it. Your infinite potential realized. 9 is it. You transcended this earth plane. You're the middle point, getting out of the circle of time, the black dot. 7, 8, 9 is your chaos being power realized, moving past this circle of time and knowing you had the greatness within you. 7 plus 8 plus 9 equals 24. 2 plus 4 equals 6. 6 equals 6. You put all 3 of these circles together, 6, 6, 6. 6 protons, 6 neutrons, 6 electrons. The mark of the beast. You. Dream wise.